Color is a crucial element in logo design. It influences how a brand is perceived and remembered. The right color can build recognition, evoke emotion, and communicate brand values instantly. Companies often choose colors that reflect their mission. For example, eco-friendly brands favor green while banks lean toward blue for trust. Colors work as silent brand ambassadors. They impact first impressions before a single word is read. In today's crowded market, logos must stand out fast. Strategic color choices help achieve this. Blue is the most widely used color in corporate logos. It represents reliability, calm, and professionalism. Tech companies like Dell, Facebook, and IBM use blue to inspire confidence. It's ideal for industries where security and trust matter. Yellow conveys cheerfulness and energy. It stands out even from a distance. Brands like McDonald's and Snapchat use yellow to project friendliness and positivity. However, too much yellow can be overwhelming. Use it to highlight, not dominate. Black is modern and elegant. White is clean and neutral. Together, they create timeless designs. Luxury brands like Chanel and Nike use black and white for sleek sophistication. These colors work across various backgrounds and media. They also add contrast to color-heavy designs. Start by understanding your audience and values. What emotion do you want your brand to evoke? Match color choices with brand personality. A bold startup may choose orange or red, while a luxury brand might lean toward black or gold. Use color psychology as a guide, but test combinations for real-world impact. Create a brand color palette with primary and secondary colors. Ensure they work in full color, black and white, and grayscale. Always check accessibility. High contrast improves readability for everyone. Test your logo across devices and backgrounds to ensure clarity. Ignoring color psychology, picking a color based only on personal preference, can weaken brand alignment. Using too many colors, overloading your palette, can create visual confusion. Stick to 2 or 3 main colors. Poor contrast, like light on light or dark on dark combinations, can make logos hard to read. Neglecting cultural context is another pitfall. Colors mean different things in different cultures. Red may mean luck in one culture but danger in another. Not testing is risky. A color that looks good on screen may not work in print or signage. Always test before finalizing. Color isn't just decoration, it's strategy. The right hues enhance recognition, evoke emotion, and help define brand identity. Strong logo colors support long-term branding success. They should work in harmony with shape, typography, and message. Make color choice a deliberate step in your logo design process. Doing so ensures your brand stands out and connects with the right audience. Thanks for watching.